banks of some clear flowing stream, I spied a fair young maiden making sad lamentation. I drew myself in ambush for to hear a sad complaint. Through the bush she must along, made the valleys to wrinkle, the small feathered songsters around her head they flew, saying the war it is all over and peace it is restored again. But my will is not returning from the plains of Waterloo. My phone creature, may I make inquiry as to what's your true love's name? For I have been in battle where the loud cannons rattle, and by his description, well, I think I know the same. Willie Riley's my last name. He's a hero of great fame. Although he's gonna left me in sorrow, now it's true. No man will my enjoy but my old darling boy, even though he's not returning from the plains of Waterloo. If Willie Riley's your last name, he's a hero of great fame. He and I have been in battle all through many's a long campaign. Through Italy and Russia, through Germany and Prussia, he was my loyal comrade, still in France and in Spain. But alas, there at length by the French we were surrounded. Like heroes of old, we did them subdue. We fought for 3 days, till at last we had defeated them. That born Napoleon burning on the plains of Waterloo. On the 14th of June, bayonet in the battle left many as a gallant hero there in sorrow to complain. Where drums they do beat and the loud cannons rattle, just by a Frenchman's bullet your young Willie he was slain. And as I drew near to the spot where he lay dying, scarcely had I time for to bid him adieu. And as he lay bleeding, these words he kept repeating: farewell, my dearest Annie, you are far from Waterloo. And when this fair young maid heard this sad declaration, her red and rosy cheeks they grew so pale and woeful. And when he heard the sound of her sad lamentation, He drew her in his arms and cried, I am your loving one. Here is the ring that between us was broken. In the midst of all my danger, it reminded me of him. And now this young couple, what they are united. No more will we battle on the plains of Waterloo.